स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम आपको केस 4 के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे आपसे। केस 4 क्या है कि व्हेनेवर राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन that is fxy is equal to x to the power m y to the power n. So what happened, how to find its particular integral? So now its particular integral can be find out by obtained by this f d dash x to the power m y to the power n. There are so many methods way it can be done by this way also. X to the power m y to the power n, as it is by the same process. There are at least two cases because of here x to the power m y to the power n. Here m and n both, there are two constant, so two power, so there are at least two cases. Case first is here, if m is greater than n, then 1 upon f d dash is expanded in the power of d dash oblique d. And case 2 is if m less than n, so 1 upon f d dash is expanded in power of d oblique d dash. Students, this is very important case. Whenever right hand side of the partial differential equation is given of this form, before this video lecture you have seen that case first, case second, case third. Case first is whenever right hand side be exponential function a to the power x plus by. Case 2b whenever fxy is a trigonometrical function, as that is sin ax plus by or cos x plus by. Case 3b function of ax plus by. सो केस 3 का यूज करते हुए हमने प्रीवियस के केस 1 और केस 2 के भी प्रॉब्लम बताए थे। आज केस 4 के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसमें ये बताएंगे कि अब आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर x टू द पावर m y टू द पावर n का कंटेंट हो, राइट हैंड साइड इस टाइप्स का हो, तो हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे। अब इसमें जज करेंगे कि m ग्रेटर देन n है या m लेस देन n है। इफ़ m greater than n, so the denominator can be expanded in the power of d dash upon d, and if m is less than n, so the denominator of the this particular integral denominator part is expanded in power of d upon d dash. So let us take an example to solve this example. solve del cube z upon del x cube minus 2 del cube z upon del x2 del y is equal to 3x square y. Okay students, so let us do how to solve the given partial differential equation. Solution will be like this. Solution will be like this. The given partial differential equation can be written as, the given partial differential equation can be written as d cube minus 2d square d dash z equal to 3x square y. This is first equation. Okay students, so now to find its solution, to find the solution of equation 1, first find its CF and then find its PI. So now CF can be obtained by finding their auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation becomes like this: m cube minus 2m square is equal to 0. So m square taking common, so m minus 2 equal to 0. So the value becomes m is equal to 0, 0, 2. So there are 3 roots. Out of these two are equal and other are different. So by the way, its CF is CF equal to phi 1 y plus x, phi 2 y plus phi 3 y plus 2x. This is equation number 2, second. Now to find particular integral, now particular integral is equal to 1 upon d cube minus 2 d square d dash x square 3x square y. So now just we have told that if in the case first, if m is greater than n, because of the value of m is here 2 and the value of n is here 1, so obviously m is greater than n. Due to this, we will expand the denominator in form of d dash by d. So to find this, we will do like this: 1 upon d cube taking common, so it becomes 1 plus 1 minus 2 d dash upon d 3x square y. Okay students, so now PIB 1 upon d cube, and denominator goes to numerator like this, 1 upon 1 minus 2 d dash upon d, or minus 1 3x square. So 3 taking 3 upon d cube, and as you know this is a minus b, 1 minus x to the power minus 1, and we know that 1 minus x to the power 1 becomes the expansion of 1 minus x to the power 1. 1 minus x to the power minus 1 is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on. So by using this we can write 1 plus 2d dash upon d plus 2d dash upon d whole square plus and so on x square y. Now the particular integral is 3 upon d cube. Multiply this in numerator inside the bracket, we will obtain x square y plus 2 d dash upon d x square y plus 4d dash square upon d x square y plus and so on. So after this step we will obtain 3 upon d cube. It becomes x square y, and as you know d stand for the differentiation, so 1 upon d stand for the integration, d dash stand for the differentiation with respect to y. So now after differentiating this with respect to y, we will obtain 2 by d x square. It's okay, x square as it is whenever we will differentiate this 2 times differentiation of x square y with respect to y 2 times, we will get 0 because of d stand for del by del x and d dash stand for del by del y. Okay students, so now just see here 3 upon d cube, and it becomes x square y, and as you know d stand for the differentiation, so 1 upon d stand for the integration with respect to x. So just see here, since this is 1 upon d, so now this be 2 x square, integration of x square becomes, I think, x cube by 3. It should be x cube by 3. So now again just see, particular integral is equal to 3 upon d cube, and it becomes x square y plus 2 by 3 x cube. Okay students, so just we have told that d stand for the differentiation, so 1 upon d is stand for the integration. So now as the same process, 1 upon d cube the stand for the 3 times integration of this term with respect to y, with respect to x. So now here 3 taking common, and y with respect to x, y is treated as a constant, so y, and the integration of x square, first time integration of x square be x cube by 3. Just see here, x cube by 3, and second time be x to the power 4 by 12, and third time be x to the power 5 by 60, x to the power 5 by 60. Okay, plus 2 by 3 2 by 3 and 3 multiply inside the bracket, it becomes only 2, only 2. So x cube, the integration of x cube, 3 time integration of x cube, first time integration is x should be x to the power 4 by 4, second time be x to the power 5 by 20, and third time be x to the power 6 by 120, x to the power 6 by 120, because of integration of x cube dx is x to the power 4 by 4, and integration of again x to the power 4 by 4 is x to the power 5 by 20, and in x to the power 5 by 20 dx is equal to x to the power cx 6 by 120. So by using the same 120, it becomes 320. So it becomes x to the power 5 y by 20 plus 260 x to the power 6 upon 60. This is the particular integral of the given differential equation. This is equation third. Now, as you know, the complete solution of equation 1 is CS is equal to CF plus PI. It means Z equal to CF. CF is phi 1y plus x phi 2y plus phi 3 y plus 2x plus particular integral is here x to the power 5 y upon 20 plus x to the power 6 by 60. So this is the required solution. So in this way, students, in this way we can solve any problem where the right hand side is of this form, x to the power m y to the power n type. So first judge the given problem if m is greater than n or m is less than n. If m is greater than n, so apply the first case. So expand the denominator in power of d dash upon d. By using this concept, we have done this problem where m is greater than n. So here the solution B is given here. This is the required solution. By this way you can solve any other problem also. In the next video I will do such type of one more problem based upon this case. Okay, thank you.